Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and today we're taking a look at two new PRX models. These are the gradient dials, both the light gradient dial and the dark gradient dial. These watches were provided by my friends over at Martin Binder. They're authorized dealers for Tissot, Omega, Tudor, and a bunch more. So please look at the links down below if you wanted to check out these PRX models or a number of different models that they have to offer. Or if you wanted to message Tyler directly, I'll go ahead and put his email down below. Let him know that I sent you. So here are the two gradient dial PRXs that we're looking at today. We have the dark dial and the light dial. Both of them really look good, obviously, because they are PRXs, and they have a really unique color scheme that is fit for fall and also fit for summer, depending on the model that you wanted to look at. I've reviewed the PRX a number of different times, from the initial unboxing up until a 2-year retrospective. So if you want to see a full review, please go ahead and click the cards here and we can watch the full reviews. This video is more of a showcasing of the new gradient dials. So let's go ahead and revisit the specs just in case you're not familiar with them. We have a case diameter of 40 millimeters, a lug-to-lug of 44.5 millimeters, but with the bracelet, we have an effective lug-to-lug of 51.5 millimeters, a lug width of 12 millimeters, thickness of 11.1 millimeters, weight size to my wrist at 135 grams. The PRX has a push-pull crown, which gives the watch 100 meters of water resistance, and it does come with Swiss Superluminova on the hands and on the indices. So first, let's take a look at the dials and see the differences between the two. Now, I'm going to dub these the Sunrise and Sunset PRXs. The gradient dial on the Sunrise PRX starts off at a light sky blue and then transitions into a dark blue, but then in certain lights, it looks purple. And the transition at the hand stack looks absolutely beautiful. Depending on the light, like I said, it's going to look purple, it's going to look dark blue at the bottom, and at the top you have that sky blue, and I think it really works for summer colors. On the Sunset PRX, the top of the dial is black, and then it transitions into that purplish blue towards the 6 o'clock of the dial. And to me, this dial works a little bit better in the fall or in the colder months as opposed to the Sunrise gradient dial. Everything else on these watches stays exactly the same as the previous PRX models. We have vertical brushing on the top of the case, horizontal brushing on the sides of the case, a polished bevel edge, polished bezel, polished case back, the beautiful brushed center link bracelet with those polished edges, down to that butterfly clasp with Tissot and 1853 written on either side of the clasp, the display caseback showing off the Powermatic 80 movements. Now, one major complaint I hear about the PRX is that the movements aren't serviceable, and then they're going to throw out your movement and just swap in a new movement whenever you do send it in. But to me, at this price point, I don't think that's a big issue, and I think Tissot gives you a lot of watch for your money. Taking a look at the dial, we have the classic Tissot stick hands, needle seconds hand, baton style indices with the double baton at the 12 o'clock. At the 3 o'clock, they have that bordered date window with a white date wheel. And while the hands have a decent amount of Superluminova, the indices could use a little bit more. If they could make them just a little bit wider, add a little bit more Superluminova in there, it could make for a much better viewing experience at night, but it's not the end of the world for this sports watch. Now, the lume might not be as bright as you'd like, but where this watch shines is when you wear it on your wrist. And it drapes over my 7.5-inch wrist perfectly. The reflection of the links as I rotate my wrist back and forth really just adds a little bit of luxury. I'm not sure what it is with this bracelet specifically. I think it might just be that polished edge with those vertical brush links, but it just looks so good in every single wrist roll I do. Whenever I wear it out, I always get compliments with it. And now with these gradient dials, that just adds to the level of complexity whenever you do a wrist shot. Whenever you do rotate your wrist from one direction to another, it's going to add a little bit more complexity and fun to that dial. Yeah, I'm not sure how this works because in certain lights, it looks blue. In certain lights, it looks purple. And that on top of the bracelet reflections, I think this is going to be a winning combination no matter which dial that you get. So what do I think about the new gradient PRXs? Well, they're the same build quality as before. You have that same functionality, the same push-pull crown, 100 meters of water resistance, wearable case dimensions, at least for my wrist, the beautiful bracelet, the nice finishing, all in a watch that punches well above its weight in terms of price. And now they add these two new color variations, which is a good progression of the PRX lineup. I like how they added more fun in the PRX with just that little bit of color change in the gradient dials. I really do think these offer a little bit more bang for your buck when it comes to your standard PRX dials. But like I said in the intro, I've reviewed these watches about a half dozen times. So if you want to see a full in-depth review, there are plenty on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and put a card right here just in case you want to see something. And thank you to my friends over at Martin Binder. Again, their website is down in the description below. And don't forget to email Tyler and let him know that I sent you. All right, so that's the video. I'm going to go ahead and put up, I guess, the PRX Carbon review. I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. So if you want to see the Carbon in all of its glory, go ahead, click right there. And yeah, I love it. I love that watch. Don't forget to click right here and watch the Carbon review. Go ahead, click it. Click it. PRX Carbon. Amazing. Click it now.